What's up, guys? We're back. Another day, another broken pipe. I dug out this hole. It broke right here on this joint. I don't know if you can see that, the lighting. But I'm gonna show you how to easily fix this broken pipe with no glue. So, I mean, why do pipes break? Well, if you look, there's a root right here. I'm underneath a crepe myrtle tree, and this root kind of pushed up against this pipe right at the joint. Perfect timing, perfect spot. Push this pipe in that direction and then crack right there. So I dug it up. It's pretty easy to do. Don't be afraid to do it yourself. I'll show you some of the stuff that I buy that can fix this pipe quickly and reliably, and should be done relatively quickly, besides the work of digging it up and cutting it and things like that. So let's go. So I cut the roots out. I also cut the pipe out using my trusty Milwaukee hacksaw, and this is what we're going to use to repair this broken pipe. It's essentially a push-in pipe with teeth on the inside that's going to hold it in place. No glue required. You just push it all the way in until it seats on the bottom here, and this piece right here will extend into this piece here, which is what you would push in on the other side. So this costs a little more to fix, but you get the convenience of having no glue and being able to turn it on as soon as you repair it without having to wait for it to dry. So since I cut it out, I'm going to use this little tool here to deburr the outside edges, and then once you do that, you just push these guys in, and that's it. Final product. I have the water turned on already, you can hear it going, and no leaks. So this piece right here actually extends out. There's an O-ring inside here which seals it, and then there's an O-ring inside here also. So just by pushing this into that, it locks it and seals it up. That's it. Thanks for watching. Here you go. For a job well done, you got to stay hydrated. Kind of like your avocados, make sure they're hydrated also. Here's the hole. Well, used to be the hole. All filled up. Essentially looks like I didn't even touch it. Anyways, you guys have a good weekend, and make sure you check your irrigation because it's hot and you don't want your plants dying. So see you later. Bye.